Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to disable the side menu in Topics on Telegram using the latest updated settings. If you've been finding that side menu distracting or unnecessary while browsing your chats, this quick adjustment will help you clean up your interface and improve your overall experience. Let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app so that all the settings appear exactly as shown. Once you're inside Telegram, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. This will open up the main navigation panel where you can access all your account options. From here, tap on Settings. This will take you into the area where you can customize your Telegram experience. Now, inside Settings, find and tap on Chat Settings. This section controls how your chats look and behave, including animations and visual effects. Next, scroll down until you see the Animations option and tap on it. This is where Telegram groups together various visual features that can affect performance and interface behavior. Under the power-saving options, tap on Effects and Chats. This section includes additional controls for interactive elements within your conversations. Here's the important step. Look for the option labeled Side Menu in Topics. By default, this may be enabled, which is why you're seeing that extra side panel. Simply uncheck or toggle off the side menu in Topics option. Once you do that, the side menu will be disabled immediately. That's it. You've successfully removed the side menu from Topics in Telegram. This small tweak can make your chat interface feel cleaner and less cluttered, especially if you prefer a more minimal layout. If you found this helpful, consider exploring other settings in Telegram to further customize your experience and make the app work exactly the way you want.